everyone, it's Mona here at Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to be making a three-dimensional bunny coaster. For this I'm going to cut some bunny ears. I've got some scrap craft foam and that's what I'm going to make them out of. And I'm just going to freehand cut them. Now I'm going to take a little multi-surface paint and just paint the inner ear. I've mixed my fast curing resin, which cures white, and now I'm going to take my ears and hold them until it starts to set. So this is cured, and it didn't cure quite as pure white as I would have liked, but sometimes that happens. I'm sure there's a reason for it, but it's got a cute little look to it already. And if it bothers you that it's a little bit off white, we can easily take care of that. It's not a problem. We'll just take a little acrylic paint in white and dab it. And if we do it this way, it almost gives it a little bit of a furry look, which is good because it's a bunny. I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to paint closed eyes because that's kind of what I'm going for on this one. It's like a sleeping bunny. And then I'm going to paint some eyelashes. Then I'm going to do a pink nose. So there's our bunny. I'm going to fill the teeth in a little bit more solidly with the white so they'll stand out just a little bit more. Not much, just a little bit. Now we're going to just let all of this dry. Here's our cute little bunny coaster, and I have my resin mixed, and I've been getting a lot of bubbles just because it has been so cold here. And even though I want to perfectly warm up my resin, sometimes that doesn't quite happen. So I have resin on here. I'm going to get it to the edges. And I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles. I'll come back, do that a couple times. You just need to be very careful that you don't melt your ears. And then you want to let that sit a minimum of 12 hours. Here's our bunny coaster, cute as could be. Looks like the bunny is asleep. So this is a little bit of a different look with the ear standing up rather than laying low. So it is almost like the bunny is sleeping. But it'd be real cute sitting on a table as a decoration for Easter. Be sure to let me know what you think of this cute guy down in the comments below. I hope you guys like the bunny coaster. Hope you give him a try. Remember, you can find me on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer. So grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.